Just got my new pair of Bates motorcycle boots. Just gonna open them up here.
Two hours later.
Well, guys, this is the new Bates Taser Boot. I had to get them online since you can't really buy these in a store. I just tried them on. They fit a hair too big, just a little bit, not really even enough to get a half size down. I might throw an insole in there and see if that fixes anything, but so far they seem comfortable and they fit decent. I'm gonna have to wear these around and get a feel for them. But so far, just my initial impressions are really good quality, actually, especially for the price I paid. And they look nice. Like I can definitely wear this with jeans and whatever shirt and jacket, and I don't have to worry about looking really weird walking into a building with motorcycle boots on. They feel really sturdy. I'm definitely gonna have to get out and ride with them to really test them. So I'll get a review out for you guys. But just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of these Bates Taser boots. In case you ever forget, it says waterproof right there. They waterproof, bro. You can go swimming in these. You can like jump off buildings and stuff. It's like 100% protection guaranteed.